Hello, welcome to this update for cyclone Alfred. So it's still there in the ocean near Queensland and New South Wales, and and it still looks weird on satellite. It's like there's a big blank side with no precipitation, but the south side is very strong. And it's still a category 1. The wind, especially the winds here in this area, are still category 1, so it's still strong. So the official track does have a going there towards southeastern southeastern Queensland and just north of Brisbane, making landfall in the coast there. So let's see, there's the GFS that goes directly into southeastern Queensland as well, maybe to northeastern New South Wales too, but most into Queensland. So please be careful. There's the Canadian, and now 100% of the models are showing this going that way. So here's the GFS, this goes, and thus make landfall as a category 2 in the Australian scale. So this goes there into southeastern Queensland, and then we leave a lot of rain in northern New South Wales as well. So and the remnants of this might bring rain to Victoria later March 9th, and then in Tasmania some March 10th, then this goes away. So please be careful. There's the European too, this goes there. So like the spins there a little, but then goes like 990 in the US. It's just a tropical storm, a category 1, but they say it will be a category 2 there. So this goes, and then yeah, there's the icon too, shows the icon still stronger. This looks a little bit more like it, 981 or something. Then this goes and goes, and then there's the Canadian too. That's the weakest model of them all, but it does show 997 landfall there. So please stay safe. They have the official track from the weather bureau, and then it does show 1 now, category 1, and then it does show like landfall category 2 there, the Queensland coast. So please stay safe there. Please be careful. They have the cyclone watches that they're on the coast already. Now soon to northern New South Wales, and sorry, as this gets closer, there will be some cyclone warnings too. So please be aware. And here there's cyclone Alfred, and there's the remnants of Honda still. So let's see here. We still have this blob of storms just north of Tonga, still some storms there, and a passing storm or two in other areas in Vanuatu, and a storm or two in northwestern Australia. But now for the winds with this will still be very strong, and be careful Lord Howe Island as well. The winds, and it shows this, the European shows some very strong winds on the coast there, some 77 km per gust, 75 New South Wales, and then by landfall, the European models like 118 km per gust spots the southern coast of Queensland, 114 Gold Coast, not areas. So this goes Thursday, and then the European does momentarily show 142 in Gold Coast and 150 km per gust just north of it. So compared to how this cyclone is now, the European does show intensifying a little bit because of the warm waters, the East Australian current. So this goes there and still shows strong winds further inland in some areas after this makes landfall. So please be careful in those areas. So slightly breezier on another spot or two, but this goes and then still shows New South Wales March 8th, a spot or two in South Australia, slightly gustier, and then maybe as this goes away by March 9th, the remnants of this. But please be careful. There's the GFS too, shows there. The GFS is usually minimalistic on the wind gusts, but let's see what it shows. Shows those stronger winds in northern New South Wales into Queensland. This goes there, but the GFS like very weak. But it does show close to 200 km per gus spot in northern New South Wales, where there might be some cyclone warnings, and into Queensland as well. So this goes, and yeah, but the GFS is too weak, I think. There's the icon now that's usually too strong, but let's see. This goes, there it has 102 km per gus in a spot or two. Alright, by Wednesday. This goes, and then this tries to strengthen up a little bit more, but it does show on the coast like at Thursday, especially the 6th, 100 km per gus near Gold Coast. Another spots 207, 126. So please stay safe. This goes and does show momentarily 120 km per gus in Gold Coast, 128, some 8 km per gus in Brisbane, not way to 104 in Brisbane, close to 207 in some areas. So please stay safe. This goes and still strong later in other spots there. So please stay safe. And there's the access too, shows the systems there. This goes Lord Howe Island shows more than 104 km per gus and close to 107 by late tomorrow and early Wednesday. So this goes, and it's already tomorrow there, it's already Tuesday probably. But it does show this system like strong offshore, category 2. And then it does show 104 km per gus, 102, 130 in Namidi Point, and some 81 in Brisbane. This goes, and later the does show 117 Gold Coast, 140 midpoint. Then it does go there, but it does show like 101 in Brisbane, and then I'll try to find the exact time here. Good, 136. Now there is 123. So please stay safe. This goes away there, but please be careful, especially because of all those bigger cities like Brisbane and now there might be power outages and especially flash flooding. But with these winds here, there can be more wind damage too. So please be careful, secure the things in your home, and don't leave crazy stuff on the backyard that can fly. And stay safe, please. Be careful these winds. And let's see if this high resolution models go far out enough, but I still don't think so. So it goes there. Already shows by Wednesday some 90 km per gus in some spots. This goes, but it doesn't go further out. But please be careful. There's this other one too. It does start showing Wednesday, so 102 already, but I really want to see what this model will show for landfall. But I'll probably make another video Tuesday night for that or something. So please be careful and note that these winds might be sometimes stronger than what I'm showing you here, because I hear other meteorologists saying some different values and I don't know. where they get the information, but please just follow your local forecast and be aware that in some spots the winds might be a little bit stronger than what I'm showing here. So stay safe, and please be careful. And plus the waves too. So on the coast shows like 7 meter waves, 6 some spots just 7. So please stay safe. Shows later like Thursday night into Friday. Some spots there to 8 meter waves, and please be careful with storm surge too. Like I don't expect that much storm surge with a category 2, but there might be some low lying coastal areas, so please be careful of that as well. Here, let's see if they have any information. So Alfred maintains French category 2 tonight, and it's more likely so during Tuesdays. It southward eastward movement slows. Alfred stands may fluctuate to category 1, category 2 of the coast on Tuesday and Wednesday. As it approaches Thursday, Alfred is expected to intensify category 2, making it from Brisbane sunshine coast by Thursday or Friday morning. Late on Thursday, Friday morning. So please stay safe. Severe coastal hazards, going abnormally high tides, hazardous surf, damaging swells are expected to continue southeastern Queensland and New South Wales coasts. Conditions are expected to deteriorate further as Alfred approaches southeast Queensland coast on Thursday. Gales damaging wind gusts to 120 km/h expected to travel over southeast Queensland, New South Wales, and fringes of the communities between Tawin, Grattan, and during Wednesday, gales further north into Tewantin to Sandy Cape from Wednesday to early Thursday. Heavy rainfall forecast for southeastern Queensland, northeast and New South Wales. From Wednesday, heavy rain, intense rainfall, and dangerous life-threatening flash flooding. Life-threatening may occur across parts near the south of the cyclone center. Alfred approaches the coast late on Thursday and early Friday. Flood watches have been issued for this area, and this people between Sandy Cape in Queensland and Grattan, New South Wales should consider what action they will take as the cyclone threat increases. Information available from your local government, and check these links. I will put on the description there too. But please stay safe in those areas. So for the rainfall, let's see here. So it's still on the forecast, significant rainfall that area. So it might make landfall late Thursday into early on Friday. So, and it shows like spots southeastern Queensland. I don't know if you can see here on the top, the millimeters is on the top left there, but it does show like some 311 millimeters, 304 in spots there, and also some areas along the coast of New South Wales. Shows in Coffs Harbour to 176, this is some 337, 270. So please stay safe, and this just the next 3 days. So and practically all of it in like less than 48 hours when the cyclone comes. So please stay safe. In Brisbane shows above 154, Gold Coast to 271. So please be careful, because this area is like subtropical, but it doesn't get cyclones that often, and tropical cyclone rainfall can be very deadly. It's so intense and falls so fast, and can generate some really life-threatening flash flooding. So hear what I'm saying right now, and take all the measures you can to stay safe. The 5-day totals are close to 345 millimeters in Gold Coast, 362 in other towns further south, 340, 308, and like in Nebor in other areas to 452, 427 in other spots further south to 373, And then this rain may also affect other parts of New South Wales and other spots that even here in New South Wales like 91 millimeters, and even with 110 you can have flooding. And I've seen flooding in other areas like in hilly places that can have like landslides even with less than 50 millimeters. I've seen flooding in those areas with like hilly places, so please be careful. Don't just look at the amount, but no matter what the amount is, just stay safe with flooding in all of this area, all this area with rain here. So please stay safe, especially the catastrophic flooding possible in these parts of southeastern Queensland, northeastern New South Wales. So, but to see here, if I put this until Wednesday afternoon, shows like some 15 32 millimeters until Thursday afternoon. So alright, shows 62, 68, and 151 in a few spots in New South Wales. But if I put this until Friday afternoon, already shows some 278, some 306, but it won't end there. By Saturday, the rainfall will just keep going, because until Sunday morning shows 363, and if I put this like until March 12th, already shows slightly a little bit more. So please stay safe. This might cause catastrophic flooding. If you know people there, and if you can, warn others, but first, if you are there, take all the precautions necessary to stay safe from flooding. There's the GFS rainfall. It's not as extreme, but it does have like Gold Coast 184, other spots 283. In Brisbane, the GFS is not that crazy. It's around 73 in Brisbane, but the GFS kind of has landfall further south. If the landfall is right just north of Brisbane, Brisbane will get more, but we'll keep watching. But this other areas in New South Wales to 328 or even more, please stay safe. There's the access to shows the access is actually even more, shows in some spots of 345 New South Wales, 535 in some interior spots there. Coffs Harbour to almost 377, in other spots there to 572. So in any of these areas there could be dangerous landslides, even river flooding and catastrophic flooding. In southeastern Queensland, it has like 700 millimeters in Gold Coast. The excess, it's some 900 millimeters between Queens and New South Wales, and I think the excess is exaggerating. I don't think there will be 900 millimeters, but you never know. I've seen events that there were, so please just prepare like if you're preparing for this, because you never know. But please just stay safe, like 500 millimeters, 700, and this would cause like beyond life-threatening rainfall, a category that I can't even explain of dangers. So please just stay safe. In Brisbane, the excess is 336. So let's see if there's any other model here. There's the icon. The icon is kind of a lot as well, but a little bit less than the excess, shows like 309 in other spots in New South Wales. This dark red is like 138, the lighter red is some 8 millimeters, but it does show northeast New South Wales above 300, 435. The and the icon is like 900 millimeters too. It has in Gold Coast 700, like the excess, 745, 600 in other areas. So in Brisbane does have some 290, so please stay safe. There likely be catastrophic flooding from this. Know what to do in a flood, and please just stay safe. Check the links in the description, seek more government information, and just stay safe. There's like this high resolution model, but the range is only starting there. It doesn't go far out enough. But please be careful. And just looking at some long range here, until March 13th, that does show some more rain in northern Queensland, eventually from those tropical rains there, some more Northern Territory, some more thunderstorms, northwestern Australia next 9 days. So maybe after March 9th or something, there might be some more rainfall in northern Queensland. And does show a weird front into southern Australia as well. Later, and some rain there, but nothing that crazy. It still shows northern Tonga, some miles there to 200, the European, some more rain Fiji, like this red is 68 millimeters, 61, some more in Tonga too. So be aware. Further east, French Polynesia shows some spots to 53 millimeters next 9 days, and 36. And if I put just 5 days, and already shows some passing showers and storms, but this main area here we have the heaviest. In Nauru might have some Mataura, so be careful. The Cook Islands shows more storms next 5 days as well, and Papua New Guinea, those like heavier downpours, the tropical rains, northernmost Queensland, and other spots of the Solomon Islands as well, some 50-60 millimeters, northern Vanuatu, and New Caledonia does show us some thunderstorms and some showers. So beware. 5 days in New Zealand, the system I showed you last video shows some more on the southern facing coast of the North Island, and somewhere in the South Island as well. So please stay safe from the system. They have already the cyclone watches and everything, but check the link in the description and make sure you know what to do to stay safe. Preparations should be more than done. And the front in New Zealand, like I told you, today into Wednesday. And yeah, please stay safe. Just a quick mention here on the heat still. So some far is Western Australia, Northern Territory, few spots in Queensland, and the far out desert goes to 45 degrees. So still be careful of the heat for Central Australia and Western Australia there to 47 degrees in the desert. So this heat is also no joke. If you live there, please do something to stay safe and stay cool. And more heat Central Australia and more spots there. It might get slightly better after March 9th or something, but still so far is so stay safe in those areas. But especially with this cyclone, I don't know what else to say for you to stay safe. So please just secure everything. If you feel like you should evacuate, or if you're ordered to, go immediately if you're ordered to. But don't evacuate when this thing is nearby, when it's like some hours away from landfall or something. Please, if you go with time, so you're not stuck on the road with this. But please just stay in your home during the cycle. Be careful with flooding and wind, and please stay safe. Stock up some food and supplies as well. So please stay safe and warn others there.